Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $7,000 trading today. And the best part is I did this live on a Zoom call with my students. So let's go into that Zoom call first, and I'll kind of like have it fast forward so you guys can see the basis of the trade. And then I'll go into exactly why I took the trade so you guys could get a better understanding. If you don't know who I am, my name is Colt Mosdef. I have been trading for the past 10 years and I've helped multiple students get to 10K a month using my exact trading strategy. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I do have Instagram. There should be something on the screen. If you guys could pause the video, go follow me on Instagram. Let's connect that way because I'm much more hands-on and I'm posting a lot more frequently on Instagram. So you guys can shoot me a message if you need any help with your trading. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get on my computer and let's make some money. Here live with the squad. Have 8 people on this live trading session right now. We're long on NQ. Now we are on my chart. If you guys are new to my channel, I only trade indexes. So I trade NQ, YM, and ES. Today, I was trading the NASDAQ, and when it does come to determining which pair I'm going to trade, I'm trading NQ NASDAQ most all the time. I am on the 1-minute time frame, and I do trade during the New York session. So I have my time right here. If you guys go on TradingView, you kind of want to have your time set to UTC5 New York, just so you're in alignment with the stock market. Now, like I mentioned, I am using or trading during the New York session. So if you guys want, here's an indicator that you guys can get if you type in sessions. And then it'll be the sessions, Asia, London, New York colored right here. Once you put that on your chart, you'll go to the settings. And all I have clicked is the New York. You can make it whatever color you want. This is just my preference. And then it will actually show you, if I go like the 30-minute, it will show you all the time or the time zones for the New York session right here. So it highlights it. It's really helpful if you're back testing, but overall, that's just a session that I prefer to trade. When it does come time to trading, I am trading on or at the market open. So right at 9:30 a.m. to around 10 a.m., 10:30 for like that 30 to 60-minute window of time, that's usually when I am trading. I am not doing anything fancy. I'm not overcomplicating it. And I want you guys to think of my strategy as the KISS strategy. What's the acronym for KISS? You're probably asking. Well, keeping it stupid simple. You guys don't want to overwhelm yourself. And I feel like a lot of the time when we put ourselves in a specific mindset and we don't get what we want, we kind of get discouraged in a way. So the way that I can think of this is, when you're fully focused on trading as your source of income, you're going to overcomplicate it and you're going to rely on trading. That's going to put so much pressure on you that it's going to be hard to actually see consistent results. So if you are new to this game, guys, keep your job. There's nothing wrong with having a job, especially if you enjoy it. You want to have like a definite source of income that you know is going to provide every single month. Once you have, I would say, 6 months of consistent profitable months, then you can definitely think about quitting your job. And obviously there's a lot more that goes into it, like savings. Do you have like 12 months of rent and car payments and all your bills already put away? If you guys really want to quit your job, that's what I would do first. Is I would gather 12 months of bill money. So for 12 months, you could literally sit on your butt, watch Netflix, and do nothing all day, and you'll still be good for a year. Obviously, we're not going to do that. We're going to be putting in the work, but you guys need to really get this understood that there's no rush. The markets will always be here. There's always going to be more setups. You don't have to rush or force anything, guys. So as I was looking at NQ earlier, I noticed that we had this FVG that formed right here, actually at 941. So from this first candle to the second to the third, we can zoom in here. And this was market open right here. Once I saw this, these candles are really big and wicky during the market open, and everything kind of like compressed together, which was nice and gave me this setup. But right at the market open, I was not trying to force anything. My setup was not there, so I didn't see anything. So right here, I want you guys to notice how we have this fair value gap that formed. Now that is my entry model, and if you guys want, get this indicator. If you are a struggling trader or you're just looking to enhance your trading, Reward Over Risk University is my top selling program. If you guys go to RORFX.com, you guys will be able to look over the website and see if you are eligible if you want to join this program. I have put my blood, sweat, and tears into this program, and everything on here is all updated information. For a one-time fee, guys, of $2,500, you will get 3 Zoom calls with me, each 30 minutes long, and they will be recorded. I'll add you to my private Telegram community. You'll get access to 45 plus videos that you have lifetime access to, and more videos will be added. Lifetime access, like I said, and you guys will have your own login portal and 24/7 support. If you guys want to get involved, once again, go to RORFX.com, click buy now, and instead of it being $2,500, go right here and type in trade 1, and you guys will be able to get it for only $1,500. This is only going on for the next week, so if you want to get in at $1,500, go to RORFX.com and you'll be able to sign up. Lux algo fair value gap right here. You guys can get the indicator and it will automatically print the fair value gaps on your chart for you. Guys, if you don't understand what I'm teaching you, you need a mentor. This is the time where you invest into a mentor and you get serious about your trading. So a fair value gap, I'm going to break this down for you guys right now. So a fair value gap is a 3 candlestick pattern. We have the first candle, second candle that creates the gap, and the third candle that closes the gap. So ideally, all we're doing is we're getting this little rectangle. We're going for a bullish fair value gap. We're going from the high of the first candle to the low of the third candle. And we're extending this rectangle into the future. So like I mentioned, we have what? 1, 2, 3 candles. Usually we're going to see the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle retrade into that fair value gap to give us an entry. With this trade right here, your stop loss is always below the first candle that creates the fair value gap. So we have this first candle right here. You guys can see my stops are right below it. Because as price comes down, if you had it at the halfway point of the fair value gap, you would have been stopped out and price would have eventually gone and hit your take profit. So it's very important that you guys understand that when it comes to the fair value gap, your stop loss is always below the first candle that makes a fair value gap, whether it's bullish or bearish. So what's nice about this trade is, like I said, usually the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle will retrade into the fair value gap. You have to be quick. Since we're on the 1 minute time frame, you have to have your trade panel pulled up, your take profit, your stop loss, your units, everything needs to be quick, because if you're not, you may miss your entry. So luckily, the 6th candle came and ran into our fair value gap, which is perfect because we have 2 minutes of time to set up our position, determine where our stop loss is going to be, and our take profit. So after I had set everything up, I took an entry right here. You guys can actually see my execution labels if I turn this on. So you guys can see I bought 5 contracts right here, and then they sold all the contracts right here. So there's a proof in the pudding that I actually took the trade that I'm showing you guys right here. And I actually totally forgot. I am now doing live trading sessions. So if you guys want to trade live with me on a Zoom call, there will be a link now in the description where you guys can sign up for that. And the best part is it's free for 7 days. And then it's only $100 a month, which is nothing compared to what you'll make trading with me. So ideally, that's what I did with this trade. My TP, I actually was looking at previous highs. Where was I looking for my previous highs? I think it was on the minute 30 or something. Yeah, I had my previous high set on a higher time frame. I think I was looking at the hourly right in here. This is where we exited at this point, this wick right here. And I'll go more into like take profits and projections on the next videos. I have some sauce that I will give you guys that's phenomenal. It works amazing. But ideally, that's the trade that I took today. Wasn't forceful at all, waited for the market to form a nice trend. What really helped me determine that it was going to start to push up is we had these previous highs right in here. Once the candle started closing above this high, I was like, okay, for sure, we're going to push up. It's time to get in here. It's a fair value gap. Let's set everything up, take this trade, boom. So it played out perfectly. And I think that's one thing that you guys should be really determining within yourself before you take a trade is your levels of confidence. How confident are you truly feeling about this trade? Because if you're not feeling high levels of confidence, why would you put your money at risk? It's pointless, and you shouldn't be doing that. So a lot of the things that I go over in like my one-on-one mentorship, if you guys want to apply for that, link in the description. I do a lot of mindset and psychology teachings, because looking at the charts, what we're doing right now, guys, you need to understand that this is a minuscule part of trading. You have to be able to conquer oneself. And I've developed so many techniques and strategies around mindset and psychology lessons that have made my trading just much less forceful, and there's really no resistance anymore. So if you want to take resistance off your trading and you're tired of just struggling, dude, just book a call with me below in the link in the description. Let's just talk and see where your head's at, where my head's at. And if you feel like you want to make an investment into yourself and you want to learn from me how to trade, cool. If not, who cares? We can both go our separate ways. There's no real risk to take by booking a free consultation call, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.